Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into some crucial life-saving hacks that could make all the difference when every second counts. Whether it's a natural disaster, a medical emergency, or any unexpected situation, these tips and tricks could save lives. So stick around and hit the like button and let's get into it. In moments of crisis, every second can make the difference between life and death. Knowing what to do and acting quickly can save lives. Here are essential life-saving hacks you need to know when every second counts. Number 1. Stay calm and assess the situation. The first and most crucial step in emergency is to stay calm. Panic can cloud your judgment and slow your response time. Take a deep breath and swiftly evaluate the circumstances. Determine the immediate dangers and prioritize your actions. For example, if you're in a car accident, check for injuries and call emergency services before moving. Number 2. Perform basic first aid. Having basic first aid knowledge can make a crucial difference in emergencies. Here are some essential first aid techniques everyone should know. CPR or cardiopulmonary resuscitation. If someone is not breathing or their heart has stopped, performing CPR can keep oxygen flowing to their brain and vital organs until professional help arrives. Apply firm and rapid compressions to the center of the chest at a rate of 100 to 120 per minute. Heimlich maneuver. If someone is choking, perform the Heimlich maneuver to dislodge the object. Position yourself behind the person and wrap your arms around their waist and form a fist with one hand. Place the fist just above the navel and thrust inward and upward. Stop bleeding. Apply direct pressure to a bleeding wound with a clean cloth or your hand. If possible, raise the injured area above the heart level. If the bleeding is severe, use a tourniquet or apply pressure to a pressure point. Number 3. Create an emergency kit. Having an emergency kit readily available can save valuable time in a crisis. Your kit should include first aid supplies, bandages, antiseptic wipes, gauze pads, adhesive tape, scissors, tweezers, and pain relievers. Emergency tools, a flashlight, batteries, a multi-tool, matches, and a whistle. Food and water. Non-perishable food items, and enough water to last at least 3 days. Personal items. Important documents, medications, a phone charger, and a cash. Number 4. Learn how to operate a fire extinguisher. In case of a fire, knowing how to use a fire extinguisher can prevent the situation from escalating. Remember the acronym PASS. Pull. Pull the pin to break the seal. Aim. Aim the nozzle at the fire's base. Squeeze. Squeeze the handle to release the extinguishing agent. Sweep. Move the nozzle from side to side until the fire is out. Number 5. Learn to swim and perform water rescues. Drowning is a leading cause of accident death. Knowing how to swim and perform water rescues can save lives. If someone is drowning, reach, throw, row, go. If the person is close, reach out with a stick or a pole. If they are further away, throw a flotation device. If a boat is available, row to them. Only swim out to rescue if you are trained and it's the last option. Rescue breathing. If the person is unresponsive, perform rescue breathing by tilting their head back and pinching their nose shut and giving 2 breaths. Continue with CPR if necessary. Number 6. Plan for natural disasters. Natural disasters such as earthquakes, hurricanes, and tornadoes can strike without warning. Having a plan ready can save valuable time. Here are some tips for different types of disasters. Earthquakes. Drop to the ground, take cover under sturdy furniture, and hold on until the shaking ceases. If outdoors, move to an open area away from buildings and power lines. Hurricanes. Evacuate if instructed by authorities. If staying, secure your home, stock up on supplies, and stay away from windows. Tornadoes. Take shelter in a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor. Avoid windows and cover yourself with a mattress or heavy blankets. Number 7. Use technology to your advantage. In today's digital age, Technology can be a powerful tool in emergencies. Here are some ways to leverage technology to your benefit. Emergency alerts. Sign up for emergency alerts and notifications from local authorities. Navigation apps. Use navigation apps to find the fastest route to safety or avoid dangerous areas. Medical apps. Download apps that provide first aid instructions, CPR guidance, and emergency contact information. Number 8. Develop a family emergency plan. Having a family emergency plan ensures that everyone knows what to do and where to go in a crisis. Your plan should include meeting points. Designate safe meeting points both inside and outside your home. Communication plan. Ensure everyone knows how to contact each other and have a backup plan in case of power outages. Emergency contacts. Keep a list of emergency contacts including neighbors, relatives, and local authorities. Number 9. Learn self-defense techniques. In situations where you or a loved one is threatened, knowing basic self-defense techniques can protect you. Think about enrolling in a self-defense class to learn how to break free, techniques to escape common holds and grabs, strike effectively, learn where and how to strike to disable an attacker, use everyday objects, how to use items like keys, pens, and bags as defense tools. Number 10. Trust your instincts. Finally, trust your instincts. If someone feels wrong or dangerous, don't ignore it. Your intuition is a powerful tool in recognizing and responding to threats. Thanks for watching. We hope you found these life-saving hacks helpful. Remember, being prepared and staying calm in an emergency can make all the difference. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more essential tips and tricks. Stay safe and we'll catch you in the next video.